Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again. We came back in another video. As every time, if you are a long-term trader, stick with us all here in the daily. If you are a swing trader, go to the 4 hours, and if you are a scalper and day trader, go to 30 minutes. And you're going to find timeline down the description of that video. So go choose depending on your trading style and the timeline to result your trading style. So let's start our lesson of today. By the way, before we even start, you watching me now, are you not yet subscriber? Why, my friend, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. It's not something hard, just a red button down, click at it, next to it a bell, turn it to all, so like that when you put in a new video, you're going to be notified. Or you can even join us in Telegram and Discord, where we given daily signals. Also, we killing it there. We enter yesterday a short in Bitcoin. I told you from where. Now we're still holding our short and we're still benefiting from funding rate, because also we enter short in the future. Even you can benefiting from all those things free, my friend. The link of our Telegram and Discord is down in the description of that video. You done it? Welcome to the family. So guys, as you see that the Bitcoin here in the daily, today a daily candle here, it's finished here, and it give us here like a inverted candle here, or an inverted hammer here, as you see it here. What shall we do now? Because that candle here, it happened at that very stronger level, which is here, as you see it, that one here. We break it by that candle here, that one. Then the market, it go back to test it here. Now, either from here, we're going to see another going up to the Bitcoin to give us here a double top or something here in that zone here, like that, because we need to focus it if we're going to break that last high here or no. So I think everything is too clear here. And yesterday, watch me, I told you about the daily here. I told you for us to enter short in the daily, it's need the Bitcoin to come down to break that trend line, which is here. So in the daily, there is nothing yet. In the daily, you still in an uptrend, guys. Yes, also we bounce down from that very stronger supply and demand zone, as you see it here. And we got something else here. Let me show it to you. We bounce down from the 200 moving average here, because that the 200 moving average, and it's a very stronger level. Now, when the Bitcoin doesn't fall down very sharp from here, that means there is more going up, guys. Also in the lower time frames, we try to catch that going up, but till now there is nothing, so we still waiting till we got a clear picture, guys. So I think everything is too clear, guys. Bitcoin, I told you in the weekly and the monthly candle, it's finished. Also, we're going to stay sideways here till 2024, guys. I've been talking about that. I give you in the Friday the option. I give you a lot of data. If you just follow our analysis, you don't need nothing else. I think everything is too clear, guys, here. Now let's go in to see the coming news for today, for pictures get more clear to you. So let's go in there. The coming news for today, guys, as you see it, that the news we got today, we got ADP non-farm employment change. So be careful about that one. It's going to come at 12 o'clock. Then we got that SP Global Service PMI. That one is going to be focused about the global economic. Then we got that ISM non-manufacturing PMI. ISM non-manufacturing and crude oil inventory. The most important one is that one here, that ADP non-farm employment change. That one is going to tell you the unemployment data, which is going to come in Friday, how it's going to be. So that week you need to be careful. Another thing here is our friend, the table of us we're looking at it every day. Look at it, guys. US stocks today, they are bleeding. There is no other word to describe what's happening in the US stock market. US stock market, it's bleeding seriously, but that's a part of the game, and that's how you can make money. By the way, if you want to invest for long term, you can join our Discord, where we give a long term investment plans. By the way, it's not expensive, it's only $5 per month. The link is down in the description of that video if you want to invest in for long term in the US stock. And here is our friend the VIX, guys. Look at it. We are at 19.78. I think we are very close to the bottom, guys. We are very close to the bottom in US stock. So be ready for Bitcoin and those things. Currency is too high. Also, we are very close to 20. That means the Fed is very high. And I told who accused that it's US government shutdown because till now they haven't reached any plan. And as you see it here, currency is too high. That means US economic is going to enter in a recession. To be ready for recession and to survive for long term in the recession and those things, I told you can join us in our Discord where we give a long-term investment plans in the SP 500. It's not a day trading or something. If you want day trading or something like that, also we day trade all in the Bitcoin. But for long-term, if you want to invest for long-term, you can join our Discord where we're investing for long-term in the SP 500. I think everything is too clear here. And here, US dollar today, it fell down as you see it. It used to be 107, today 106. And I'm sorry I haven't put the videos in other channel. I'm so sorry for that, guys. I think everything is too clear here. Now let's go into see the Ethereum, what it's doing today, guys. So let's go in there. Here we are in the Ethereum price prediction, guys. Here in the 4 hours in the Ethereum also today, we enter a short in the Ethereum here in that zone here. And we put stop loss here in the top here. I'm going to tell you why did we enter, because also we bounce from a very stronger supply and demand zone. And I used to have here the trend line like that. It's getting broke here. That's why me I enter short. And I'm still holding my short stop loss here. First take profit I got it here at that zone here. As you see it here, that one here. I'm still waiting what the Ethereum going to do. That for the Ethereum, and the Ethereum me personally I thinking is going to fall down more than that. Even if it look like Bitcoin, the only thing that one here, it's not high accurate like Bitcoin, that up channel here as you see it. That's why me I prefer the Bitcoin. I think the Ethereum is going to fall down till down here. Then from here maybe we're going to see another jump. Let me tell you why me I thinking is going to fall down more. Me I thinking the Ethereum is going to fall down more because we're just coming from overbought area from a very stronger supply and demand zone, and that the break why me I enter. Yeah, now I'm waiting that one to fall down till down here at the oversold area. That when it's going to be the right time for us to enter long, and me I thinking it's going to fall down till that very stronger supply and demand zone which is down here. Then from there we're going to see if we can enter long or no. But now also we are in a very stronger supply and demand zone, guys. You remember that one here? Also we used to talk about it very hard time. Now also we are in it again here. So either from here is going to make a small correction or no. Another thing now, the Ethereum which break the trend line is go back. Now let's see if it's going to break that last low which is here, that one. If it's break it, that means it's going to fall down. If it's not, it's going to give us here a price action, and also we're going to close that short and we're going to open a long. That's our job, and that's why also we are here, and that's why people they paying for our services to give them signals like this. Even you can benefit from those things if you want. It's very cheap, my friend. It's only $10 per month, and believe me, within one signal you're going to go back the $10. But it's up to you if you want free signals. Also we give you every day here free analysis. And we got a free Discord where we're giving extra analysis, and a free Telegram where we're giving extra analysis. You can join us. The link of it is down in the description of that video. So everything is too clear, guys. Here now let's go into see the Bitcoin what they're doing today. So let's go in there. Here we are in the Bitcoin. Here in the 4 hours is only for swing trading. Here, me I told you in yesterday video, we got here that up channel like that. As you see it, guys, like that, very clear up channel. I show you all those things yesterday, and I told you maybe that one is going to fall down to touch that one here. Then from there, maybe we're going to find another entry to enter long or another scenario, because even that one it's possible, guys. Because look at that level where we are now. We are now at 27,397. That level here, it might the Bitcoin from here to bounce up and to go back above here to give us here a price action or something, or to give us here a new high, because all still now we are in a very stronger level. Now we need to see if we're going to break it and we go down, or we're going to stay sideways here till we're going to go back above, because even that level where we are here is a very stronger level, guys. You need to focus about those things, because even if also we said that up channel we got here, yeah, now we haven't touched it down here. We need to be focused on those things, guys. Yes or no? So now here in the 4 hours, what should you do here? In the 4 hours, as we enter a short from here, yeah, now us it's hitting for us the first take profit, second take profit. It's very close to hit the third take profit down here. Us we still waiting. If it's hitting the third profit, us we still holding, and we are risk free. There is nothing to lose, and we earning funding rate every 8 hours. So there is nothing to be worried. Until now, we don't got any long signal here for us to enter long. So why should us we get worried? Us we still holding our short. If the market gave us here a long entry, maybe we're going to enter. If it's not, us we still holding our short. So I think everything is too clear, guys. Here now is going to see our indicator what it's saying today. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, as we come in from overbought area, we fall down as we touching here that wall here. Now either that one is going to make a small correction, then after that to fall down, or it's going to stay sideways here for some time, then after that is going to drop down here at the oversold area. As we still holding our short, as I told you, we enter from the top here. But the good news here, as we still in a bull market, there is nothing telling us as we enter in a bear market, guys. I'm talking here about swing trading. I'm not talking about 30-minute or smaller time frames. For swing trading, as we still in a bull market. We need to be focused about those things. And if we got any signal in smaller time frames, as we're going to enter along. Remember my word, my friend. And here, look at it. You got now trend line here. Either we're going to break it from here and we're going to fall down, or from here is going to bounce above to give us there something, or to break for us that last high. Till now, as we still waiting, as I've been teaching you guys, for swing trading, passion, it's always the key of success. Remember those things. Everything is too clear. Now let's go into see our other indicator was saying. Our other indicator, guys, as you see it, us we are coming from overbought area. Bitcoin here, it's showing to us is going to fall down more than that. As we still waiting and we haven't touched even those moving averages we got here. Let me show it to you, to tell you those things what I'm trying to tell you here. Look with me here. We haven't even touched here the 50 moving average. That's when the Bitcoin is going to fall down more than that, guys. That's why I told you maybe you're going to touch even here that 200 moving average, because that one every time when there is a correction he fall down, he touch it, then after that maybe you're going to see a going up or no. Till now us in the 4 hours us we are in an uptrend. As you see it, we break the 200 moving average here, go up, it fall down, he touches here, now it go up, now it need to fall down to touch it again, or to touch at least the 100 moving average, and after that we're going to see what's going to happen. Till now even our indicator is telling us Bitcoin is going to fall down more than that. And here I show you that channel in yesterday video, and even in the thumbnail of the video, that the channel me I'm talking about. As you see it, I think that one is going to fall down to touch it here. For another scenario, it might is going to stay sideways here till it will touch it here, and after that to give us a new high. But that indicator of us is going to fall down maybe to the oversold area or to the middle, but it's going to fall down. And as you see it here, it started going out from the overbought area. So as we're still holding our short, there is nothing new. So everything is too clear, guys. Here now is going to 30 minutes to see what Bitcoin doing today in 30 minutes for scalping and day trading. Here we are in 30 minutes. Over here, only for scalping and day trading. By the way, you watching me now. I know you are a subscriber and you've been with us for some time. Did you smash the like button? You haven't. Why, my friend? Pause the video now, smash the like button, write down a comment, support us, guys. You know that channel without you it can growing up. Yes, without you and the other it can growing up. It will not take you that much, just 1 second from your time. Pause the video now. There is a thumbs up down. Click at it, write down a comment, tell us your thought about your Bitcoin, then come back and continue. You done it? Thank you very much, my friend. Here in 30 minutes, guys, as we enter a short from here. It's hitting for us the first, second, the third take profit of us is it down here at that level. Till now it hasn't hit it, but us we are risk free. My stop loss actually me is it here at that level here. So even if the Bitcoin move upward all that much, I will not care. Now here what we got can make something like that. You see it or no? People they been with me, they remember that button here. We got a very clear flag here in 30 minutes. If it's getting broke here, we are going to enter long. If we break it down here, that means the Bitcoin is going to fall down more than that. Let me show you before, because that pattern which is here, it happened exactly here in that zone. Let me show it to you for picture to get more clear to you. It happened the same pattern here. People they been with me, they remember that pattern here, that flag here. It's getting broke here. It went up till here. Now we got the same pattern here. As you see it, guys. You see it or no? Same pattern here. Is it the same pattern what happened here? Did you see those things or no, guys? You see it or no? Same pattern. Now what my view? Till now I don't got nothing here. Either we're going to break here, we're going to enter more long, or we're going to break down here, we're going to enter short, like how I told you here. We're breaking down here, we enter short. It's breaking above here. It went up till here as you see it. So everything is too clear, guys. Here, let's see our indicator what it's saying. Our indicator as you see it, is it down here at the oversold area. The level you are in a very stronger supply and demand zone. You see it or no? That level where we are last time, from here it bounced out a lot here. Now same thing, you are in it here. At the first time, second time, third time, and now is it the fourth time you touching that level. Now either from here is going to go back above, or is going to break it with a big power like how it happened here, and it's going to fall down till down here, guys. So be careful about those things what I'm showing you here. So everything is too clear, guys. So that's it for that video, and please make sure to support us by just smashing the like button, writing down a comment. If you could even share the video, you done it. Thank you very much, my friends. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.